It's Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I take you around a 61 plate 2011 Mini Cooper D. So this car has got the 1.6 BMW diesel engine in it. It has zero road tax, about 110 horsepower, and this engine, if anyone knows about these, has a problem with the timing chain. We have changed the timing chain on this car. It came to me with a broken timing chain. We rebuilt the engine, new timing chain, reconditioned cylinder head, and that problem now on this car should not rear its head again, certainly in the next 10 years, I would hope. 10-year-old cars like this, we are finding a lot of them with timing chain issues. So that's been done. Let me take you around the car a bit more closely. The bonnet has got some minor stone chips here and there, but nothing significant. Car's just had an MOT, so it's got a fresh MOT, 12 months. That wheel is in good condition, tyres in good condition. This side is in good condition, so black mirror backs, white roof. Coming down here, this wheel and tyre are in good condition. They're 16-inch star spoke alloys. Coming around the back, some minor marks on the bumper here, minor mark there. But it is, what is it, a 12-year-old car now? 11.5, 12-year-old car. So on this side, good wheel, good tyre. No car parking bruises down this side, it looks pretty decent. And then back to the driver's wheel. So this is a good wheel, good tyre, and round back to the front. Let's have a look on the inside. So coming in from the driver's side, you can see the door card's good. The interior is tidy. The interior is tidy, no rips or tears, there's no smell. Now there are two keys, and if you've not driven a Mini before, the key, it looks like a disc. It goes into that slot there. We're going to press the clutch and press the start button, and the car fires up. The lights all go out. Need some fuel. Right, so as of today, car's done 81,609 miles and is yet to do any real miles with the new chain. Let's put the side lights on, get some back lighting here. Centre speedo. We have tuner, DAB, CD, AUX in, and USB in. We have a Bluetooth telephone on there as well. Down here was the air conditioning, which is there. Turn the fan on a little bit. This is your air conditioning and heating, cooling controls, electric windows, rear fog lights. Sorry, that's the rear fog lights, and that's central locking. 6-speed gearbox. Down here we do have a sport mode on this car, which is unusual for a diesel. So sport mode, when you press it, gives you that. Weight up the steering a bit, weight up the throttle response. We have auto stop start. Now that isolates it, that turns it off, and that's a traction control off. So when that is pressed, you get that on there while it's off. So in summary then, we have a 61 plate 2011 Mini Cooper D. Bodywork's excellent, interior is excellent, and the engine has had a lot of work done to it. We've replaced the cam chains, reconditioned the cylinder head, and that should no longer be an issue for this car. It is an issue in this engine for cars of this age. The cam chains can snap, but this car's had that fixed. We would charge £2,500 in this garage to change the cam chains, provided they hadn't snapped. If they had snapped, then it'd be a lot more. However, like I said, that problem's not going to be an issue in this car for the foreseeable future, provided you service it properly. Come along, drive it, see what you think. I think you like it. Thank you.